Are you struggling to import Ionicons into your Vue-Loader app? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you think you've done everything right, only to be met with errors. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, right? You're definitely not the only one dealing with this. Here's the situation. A user recently asked, what do I need to do in order to use Ionicons or any other font library in my Vue-Loader app? They installed Ionicons but ran into errors about missing font files. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what's going on here? The issue often arises from how Webpack handles font files. When you import styles, it expects the font files to be in a specific location, and if they aren't, you'll see those pesky errors. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make importing fonts a breeze in the future. To begin resolving the issue with importing Ionicons, the user should first ensure that the necessary loaders are installed. This includes the file loader and URL loader, which help manage font files in a Vue-Loader application. Next, the user needs to configure the Webpack settings to handle font files correctly. This involves modifying the Webpack configuration file to include rules for loading font files. After configuring Webpack, the user should check the import statement in their app.vue file. It should correctly point to the Ionicons SCSS file without any additional query parameters. Finally, the user should rebuild their application to apply the changes. This can be done by running the development server again. If everything is set up correctly, the Ionicons should now be available in the app. Fun fact, Ionicons was created by the same team behind the popular Ionic framework, so you're in good hands using these icons. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found a solution by adding a specific loader for font files in the Webpack configuration. They suggested using the file loader for various font formats. Additionally, they changed the import statement from SCSS to compiled CSS, which resolved the issue. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your dependencies updated. This can save you from many headaches down the road, especially with font libraries. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to import Ionicons into your Vue-Loader app without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.